Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, a little bit of update and really a little bit of confirmation. The main point of confirmation is in regards to the level up here, where I've talked about in the past being an area of resistance right up here at basically $2.40. And you can see through the prior history of things, the price struggled with it. And then today, earlier on, the price made a great move. And then once again, the price ran out of steam right up at $2.40. So I'm not saying it's impossible to break through 240 or anything like that. I'm just saying that, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break above 240, but then be able to stay up above it. So confirmation in the sense of, 240 is definitely being kind of an annoying level and a thorn in the side of the bulls. As far as the other level that I want to really kind of focus on, well, actually two levels. I'm going to adjust this level down now that we have more data, as being kind of an overarching area of support, and that's down there at $2.10. This was a former area of resistance, and I bring that up because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when resistance levels are broken, you want to see them act as support. So right there, very clearly, it was indeed broken as resistance. So at that point, you would expect it to act as support, and that is exactly what's been going on. Multiple times now, the price has tested it, and it's held just like you would want to see it. So a good sign there, and that is more so kind of a bigger picture type support. Near-term wise, and the ideal level, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 220. But the point here is that not that if the price drops below that purple line, that implies everything's totally destroyed or ruined or anything like that. The idea is that if the price can maintain above that purple line, that would be great. But if it doesn't, not the end of the world or anything like that, because you do still have, the $2.10 mark down there as that next level of support. So all in all, the chart still looks perfectly healthy. It's just that 240 mark that's really starting to act stubborn. So we'll see if the bulls can maybe get a break of it or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.